My name is Alex. I'm a Webflow developer at 8020, and today I will show you an easy trick how to always make sure your Webflow background video will always autoplay on Safari. Let's move into Webflow. We often have this problem. We create a beautiful website with a beautiful video on the background. We test the website on Chrome and it works. But if we move it into Safari, it doesn't. And that can be a huge problem if our design needs a video. So let's find a quick way to solve this problem. In Webflow, we have this video using the Webflow built-in video background functionality. We have, in this case, loop and autoplay. The first step is go to settings, go to this little icon, and grab this link. This is our video link. Second step is we move into Webflow, we open an embed custom code. We need to grab this code. We already have a code prepared for this, but you will find this code into the video description. We grab this code, we move the code into the code editor, and we have to pay attention on a few things. The first, those two links needs to be our video links. The second thing is autoplay. Make sure is activated, probably muted, and loop based on what you're trying to achieve. And the third thing, we have some CSS settings. You can play with the CSS based on your unique design. When you're happy with everything inside the code, save. And for this example, I will give to my HTML embed the same class as my Webflow built-in box. And I'm going to the initial box and hide it. Now we are running the same video, not from the Webflow built-in functionality, but from the code itself. If we publish the website, we need to see if solves our problem. On Safari, it works, but the real test is on Chrome, it works, but the real test is on Safari. And it works. So this is a very quick trick to display background videos on Webflow using a custom code instead of Webflow built-in functionality. Let's do a quick recap. The first step is to identify your video link, then use this code, make sure you have the correct links in your code, make sure you have autoplay activated, play with your CSS settings based on your unique design, click save, publish your website, and have fun. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Have fun. Bye bye.